Let's be real. We all love that smoky, savory flavor of a classic Claypot rice. But who actually has the time for it? Well, today, we're going to show you an amazing hack that turns this weekend project into a weeknight meal you can whip up in just 10 minutes. That's right. No Claypot, no problem at all. This is the absolute magic of this hack. You're going to get all that flavor you're craving without any of the traditional hassle. It is a total game changer for anyone who wants quick, delicious meals. You know that feeling, right? That specific craving for the deep, comforting flavor of chicken and Chinese sausage, all of it infused into perfectly cooked rice with that little hint of sesame and soy. It's a dish that seriously feels like a warm hug in a bowl. But then reality hits. For most of us, you're busy. You get home from work, that craving kicks in, but you just don't have 30+ minutes to spare. And you probably don't have a special clay pot sitting around in your kitchen. So more often than not, that craving just stays a craving. Okay, let's really break this down. The traditional way, you're looking at over half an hour, and you need that special pot. It's a whole thing. But with this microwave hack, we're talking 10 minutes, any old bowl you have, and basically zero effort. I mean, the difference is just staggering when you see it laid out side by side like this. And so, here it is, the microwave hack. This is the simple, elegant solution that lets you get that Claypot rice flavor exactly when you want it. It's perfect for those moments when time and energy are short, but your craving for a fantastic meal is huge. 10. That is the magic number here. Just 10 minutes is all that stands between you and a steaming, savory bowl of Claypot-style rice. And look, this isn't just about saving time. It's about making a dish that felt like a special occasion thing, a totally possible weeknight dinner.
All right, let's get down to it. What's the plan? Well, you only need 5 core ingredients to make this happen. We're not talking about a complicated shopping list here, just a handful of essentials that pack a massive flavor punch.
And here they are. So you'll want some cooked rice. You know, day-old rice is actually perfect because it's a little drier and just soaks up all that flavor. Then you need some chicken chunks, Chinese sausage, a good dark soy sauce for that rich color and sweetness, and of course, a little dash of sesame oil for that incredible smell. That's it. 5 key things. Now, the best part? It only takes 3 easy steps to create this one-bowl wonder. Seriously, no juggling multiple pans, no complex timing, just a super straightforward assembly. The process could not be simpler. Okay, step 1, just mix everything together in a bowl. Step 2, cover it up and pop it in the microwave for maybe 3 to 4 minutes. And finally, step 3, add your garnish and it is ready to eat. Yup, it is really that easy, and believe me, it works perfectly. We're almost there. After it comes out of the microwave, there is one last final flavor boost that just brings the whole dish together. This is that simple little step that takes it from being really good to absolutely great. And here it is, the grand finale. A little extra drizzle of that dark soy sauce for some more depth and color, and then a sprinkle of fresh, sharp spring onions for that brightness and texture. This simple little touch transforms the dish, giving you that delicious, fragrant, and deeply satisfying meal that finally answers that craving. So there you have it. We've officially hacked Claypot rice into a 10-minute meal. It kind of makes you wonder, right? What other classic dish out there is just begging for a modern shortcut like this one? Let us know what you think. Thanks for joining us.